Hi, my name is Jay Joel. I'm an award-winning industrial design consultant at jayjoel.com. I'm answering a Quora question. How can a physical product be prototyped cheaply? You can use base products at home to fairly easily create your own prototype using scrap materials around your house. However, from an industrial design consultant's perspective, the purpose of a physical product prototype is to evaluate a specific set of criteria, for example, and in general, form, fit, function, performance, color, and various other elements such as adhering to the product design specification. So depending on what you're evaluating or wanting to evaluate within the physical prototype, this will determine the type of prototyping method that you need to use. So for example, our in-house 3D printer is fantastic for evaluating form, fit, function. However, if you wanted to prototype from glass, our in-house 3D printer cannot do that. So the cost depends on what you're seeking to evaluate. At jayjoel.com, we use a process known as prototyping. Prototyping is a way to test a product's idea quickly and inexpensively by creating extremely simplified versions of that product to validate the product's minimum viable product. So now, coming back to prototyping, generally today we prototype virtually in a 3D CAD package. Once we hit a wall in that 3D CAD package, we then take that data and use our in-house 3D printer to evaluate the design in a physical setting. And this process is iterated. We go back into the 3D CAD package until we hit another wall whereby we require a mass-produced prototype in the raw materials. We either use a third-party agency or generally and more likely the manufacturer that we're going to use to mass manufacture the product generally has the capabilities of producing mass manufactured prototypes, and the process continues in design for manufacturing. So initially we are designing for additive manufacturing in our 3D computer-aided design software. So an example can be the wall thickness for a part for additive manufacturing or in-house 3D printing may be 6 millimeters. However, for design, for manufacturing, and when the product's mass produced, this will be reduced to 3 millimeters as the part is now going to be made from glass. So once again, thanks for listening. My name is Jay Joel and I'm an award-winning industrial design consultant at jayjoel.com. If you have any physical product ideas that you'd want us to check out, please send us a message at jayjoel.com/contact. Thanks.